What's up, everyone? First video I made in a while. This is a heater. It's on its back right now, but there it is. As you can see, it's not in the best of shape. Pretty dented. And it also makes a weird noise when you turn it on. Anyway, we're going to take it apart today and see what's inside it. Okay, let's start on the back where there's a lot of screws. Get to it. So essentially 2 screws on each side. Let's not forget these ones. Right by the power cord. Hope y'all can see that. All right, there you go. And that just comes right off. Easy as that. There's some heat shrink there. Just cut it with a scissor. I'm not sure what it's covering, so we'll find out. Oh, just a couple of these. Fan, it's got some dust on it. Okay, there are more screws on the bottom that hold the safety switch on. So like if the heater's tipped over, it won't keep running. There's the safety switch. Okay, let's move over to the front, see what we got here. See what I can remove. So a couple switches by the thermostat. I mean, a couple screws by the thermostat and a couple screws by the power switch. A couple here. I believe this is what's holding the fan motor and the heating element on. There are more underneath these handles, so I'm gonna have to go back inside and remove the handles. Yep, not quite yet. Let me zoom in on it. Hopefully I don't move it out of frame. Let's remove the fan, which I guess it is stuck. Something bent that. Okay, there's the fan. Another zip tie. We'll get to that later. Kind of uncomfortable just sit in a good chair. And readjust the camera angle. Okay. So what I want to do now is get those handles off. So for that, I'll need another screwdriver. There are a couple screws pretty deep down there in the corner that hold the handle on. My drill ain't gonna reach that, so. And now I need to hold the handle from the front, so now you can't see it, but it's kind of down there. That's one handle. There's some more parts I'd like to say. You can get the case, the frame sort of thing off of it. So first let's take off the top handle. Yep. One there and one on the other side. That's removed. There are sharp edges in there, just saying. I'm going to try to bend a couple of them in place by using my hands. There's quite a bit of dust on that top heating element right here. Maybe that's why there's that weird smell when it turned on. Okay, still got the other handle to remove. You know where the screws are. Same corners, upper corner and start in the middle to the side for the other handle. Couple more screws to remove the frame. These should all be done generally by hand because most drills don't reach down there, you know. You know, this heater I think was about like 30 bucks when I got it. One of the cheapest ones I ever got. Although I know there are cheaper ones. I just got this one because, you know, it looked so simple. It looked so weird in a way. Like, who makes heaters that look like this anymore? Alright, should come loose. Can't tell for certain. But there you go. We won't need that no more. Okay. Back to using the drill. Ooh, it's dusty in here. And I'm not sure, it looks like this heating element kind of melted. And then a couple LEDs. I actually did open this once when I just got it because one of the LEDs, I'm not sure, was it not working or was it like fell backwards? Whatever. This is not the first time I opened it. Ooh. Don't really like them, but I also like them at the same time. There's a little tab here on these you can press down and then pull it out. So there's one here as well. Okay. A little better with that one. And then here looks to be like some kind of fuse or something. I see this in all heaters that I open up if you've been on my channel for a while, I've definitely opened up a couple other heaters. Okay. Couple more connectors here. Okay, and here we have our heating element box. We'll come back to it later. I'm not sure what this is all about. There's like a random like knob on the back of it, and it's not on the other side, so it's a little bizarre. Maybe I'll use my manual, like hand screwdriver for this one. Oh, this also connects the motor parts together, not just this frame. So how do you get that off without pulling the propeller or the fan itself off? It's not a propeller, it doesn't move, so. Oh, it's just held on with like friction. Okay, that was easy. Then if I want, oh wait, no, it doesn't. Okay, got it. So it's pretty nicely built. Well, cheaply built, that's the word. But it worked. It worked for a few years. So for this, you can't just pull it out. Here's how I get around it. May not be the best way, but it works. I just squeeze this kind of bulb. And there it goes. And then the other one, wherever it is. Here it is. I find the flat side and then squeeze like the pointed side. Works on like 50% of them. And there's that one that didn't work. Or whatever, doesn't really matter. Oh, this is what looks to be the thermostat. Figure that one out later. I'm trying to get each piece off. The motor looks to be connected to this bundle here. Doesn't look like I'll be able to take that apart, but I think I can just snip it off. Okay, one end of the motor. The other end of the motor goes in here. I should be able to. One of these, so. How would I do it? Oh, there we go. Just press something in there while pulling out on the wire. Sorry, I'm gonna do the last one. I'll try to get you to see it. I'm not sure how much you missed. I'll zoom out. There are just a bunch of tabs in there you can press. Very interesting design. That's a switch. The motor is free now. Is it just AC or can it be powered with DC? I think this is one of those AC only motors. And it's quite dusty. Whatever. Moving on. What other bits do we have here in this simple looking circuit? This looks to be some sort of thermal protection fuse or something. This is a light, an indicator of some sort. I'll snip that off and hold on to that. Oh, okay. It just came out. The indicator light. Didn't have to snip it. And here's the other one. Sort of covered in glue. Guess it won't come out as easily. Moving on. How about that safety switch? There it is. When the heater tips over or that is not, like standing upright, this will trip and the heater won't run. And here is the thermostat. Okay, she came out pretty clean. No need to cut stuff. It's one of those mechanical thermostats. I want to show you up close how this works, sort of. Kind of just like a contact down there. Hopefully it focuses. There it is. Hope you can see that. When I turn it, watch closely right there. At a specified temperature, that will kind of jump from one side to the other. It's kind of like the trigger point for when the heater should turn on. So, yeah, very interesting how a mechanical thermostat operates. Wonder how it operates. I might research that in my free time. Anyway, moving on. What other parts have we not looked at yet? Oh, you're right, the heating element. Anyway, let me just cut these wires off the whatever this thing is. And we'll have a good look at the heating element. So it's very simple in how it's built. So hold on to this and maybe use my wrench and twist this. It should come in. It's just a bunch of springs using tension to hold themselves in, as well as what looks to be ceramic or something, or some kind of insulator, so that it doesn't make contact with the metal box that's in. Should be the same deal here. And then here, there's just a bunch of hooks made of perhaps the same material. They're holding them in 5 hooks to be exact. Here they are. They're interesting. I'm pretty certain they're non-conductive. So. Okay, there's one half of the element. Or at least one part of it, and here's the other part. Not sure why they have like a secondary element. Or maybe that's for the low setting, who knows. After all, it does have 2 settings. And then more of those insulators or whatever they are. Here it is. It's actually pretty small of a spring. It's just when you extend it. Okay, that's a complete teardown. Hopefully I didn't like not capture too much. Hopefully I captured enough footage. That's a complete teardown of this portable space heater. Oh wait, it's not complete yet until I remove these last 2 screws. All right, now it's pretty complete. Or not. I forgot to say the feet on the bottom are removable. Come on. Okay, now it's done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.